How to enable Instagram data saver mode. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram data saver mode to save your data. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you want to do is open up the Instagram app. Then next, click on your profile picture. Once in your profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Accounts. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the option for cellular data use. Tap on that one. Next here, you'll see the only option is the data saver. So what you need to do is just slide that one to the right. After you've done that, data saver is turned on and videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And that's what it takes to enable Instagram data saver on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.